Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a super opportunities from two company, Swiggy and 24/7 MNC company viewers. So let's get started. Before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting channel for a first time, viewers, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time. So please do subscribe channel. So viewers, first Swiggy, and they are hiring packaging executive positions, trainee positions. For selected candidate, package is 1,25,000 per annum. Work location Hyderabad. 0 to 1 year experienced candidate can apply for this position, both freshers and experienced candidates. In order to apply for this position, eligibility criteria is candidate need to complete minimum 10+2 intermediate. Freshers can also apply for this position. Perks and benefits includes 10,000 per month plus on duty food. Roles and responsibilities: responsible for food packaging, to check tags and hands-on to ensure delivery of expected items as per the customer order, and as well as follow up opening, closing checklist and ensure all necessary items are available. Conduct daily inventory check for all necessary items such as veg, non-veg stickers, packaging materials, gas cylinders, etc. Follow the process for food received note, transfer orders, for movement of stock and maintain the records. Conduct daily shelf life check for items like desserts, beverages, first in first out to ensure minimum wastage. In case of stockouts, reach out to CC teams through DES for updates and replacements of items to ensure minimization of dispatch related errors. So these are the complete details of this position viewers. Those are interested, mainly eligible, can apply for this position, and I am going to provide link in the description. And viewers, next company 24/7 MNC company viewers, they are hiring for international non-voice process, work location Bangalore. 0 to 3 years experience candidate can apply for this position. For selected candidate, salary is 2,50,000 per annum. Minimum requirements: candidate need to complete 10+2, 3 years diploma from recognized university. BE, BTech and graduates from any stream are eligible to this position viewers. Freshers, candidates with prior relevant and non-relevant experience are eligible to apply. This is a super opportunity. If you had experience, even freshers can apply. If you have experience prior related to BPO, other domain can also apply for this position. But candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Master graduate should have at least 1 year experience in BPO sector. Salary ranges between 13,000 to 20,000 plus incentives. We had 5 working days, 2 week offs, and company is going to provide free transportation to door pickup and drop, and life insurance for self, medical insurance for self and immediate dependents. World-class facility like cafeteria, gym, sports, team-based breakout zones. And the designation is, department is non-voice process, associate and senior associate positions. So you can also refer your friends if you are looking for a job. Interview rounds includes HR round, online test, operations round. Interested candidates can apply for this position viewers, and I am going to provide 2 important links in the description. Through link you can apply for a position which matches to your profile. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews, and please do subscribe Adira Job Creation channels for all latest private and government jobs notifications. Thank you very much viewers, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive all latest job updates.